Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to turn your Microsoft Word into a dark mode from the light mode that you already know into a dark mode or a gray mode, but a less lighter mode. So we're going to go to our Word, and the first thing you're going to go to is going to File, the first option up. So you're going to click File, then you're going to go to Accounts, and after Account you're going to go to the Office theme. So you can choose a dark gray. As you can see, kind of gives it a dark gray look, or you can really make it more darker by choosing black. And this effect works for also Excel and PowerPoint and all these other options. All of them go back to dark mode. So we're going to test and see if all of them have gone to the dark mode. So as you can see, even the page itself is in dark mode, but when you print it will also be in white, so you don't need to worry about that. In case you print it, it will be white. So we're going to go to Excel and see how it looks like. So I'm going to open my Excel. As you can see, it's also in a dark mode. So we're going to try PowerPoint too and see, but all of them work very well. They'll still stay in white when you print, but when you're typing it may be black, but when you're printing it will be black. It will be white. It will be a white paper. So as you can see, also PowerPoint is in a dark mode except the slides. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more amazing videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.